Have you ever wondered how to get the perfect smoky eye? Has any time you had tried gone something like this? Yeah, already the party, all dancing and got the smoke all over your face, and you need to redo your makeup. Not I gonna lie, a smoky eye was not even easy. So here's four easy busy steps to get those perfect smoky looks. So let's get into it. The first step is to set your base with setting powder. This will make blending 10 times easier. Next, using a kajal or eyeliner as a base to make the color intense. This will go just halfway on your lid and I'm gonna blend it outwards only till the crease line. Also a tip, if you're going with bright colors like purple or greens or blue, use a white eyeliner as a base. And if you're using black, you can go for the same. The third one is by far my favorite, and this is to use brown as a transition shade. This step is like a smoky eye hack. Well, at least till the art of blending black like a boss. Use a fluffy brush and for this and construct the color in the crease. Going in a wiper motion like a cow wiper motion and making it lighter as you go higher. The last step is to blend that ish. Okay, I suggest you to take a smaller blending brush for this, yet a soft fluffy one. And also you can lift your eyebrow for doing this. So it's easier. Start by blending the harsh lines between the two shades and move upwards while you are doing so. You can keep adding the color and blending till you are satisfied with the outcome. I'm just adding some black over here. Now all you have to do is to repeat the steps for your lower lash line. I'm just adding some black color over here in my waterline and lash line and blending it with brown. Now I'm just gonna go off camera and do the rest for the other. This is the final look. I just wanted to make you know about this four tricks which I apply for my application of the black smoky eye. I wanted to keep the video short and simple, concentrating on the topic. Let me know in the comment section below if the video was actually helpful because it was really helpful for me. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share and spread the love. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.